Hello everyone. In this short video today, I wanted to share how you can leverage Apify within Clay in order to scrape LinkedIn ads of companies. Okay, so a bit of introduction as to why we want to scrape LinkedIn ads first. First of all, it can help you to really find companies that already have some sort of intent or demand for running ads, which can indicate that there is an interest in them in terms of growing their marketing and sales engine. Okay, so these are people that you can reach out, and then there is already an intent trigger that already shows evidence of them wanting to invest into marketing and sales growth. So this is really helpful. For example, if you are a marketing agency, or if you're offering some kind of marketing or sales tech solution. Okay, the second reason is also that it allows you to use that in your messaging as well. For example, you could say, I saw that you were running LinkedIn ads for company name. Okay, so this again makes your copy much more relevant and addresses the question why you are reaching out in the first place. So this is a very powerful intent trigger. All right, so what is Apify? Apify is essentially a AI web scraping tool that allows you to scrape a wide variety of different online websites, even Reddit or Instagram or Zillow. Okay, so there are many use cases for it, and I think one of the standout features of it compared to all of the other AI web scraping tools out there is the marketplace itself. So there is a lot of different use cases for it. Now, this is not a sponsored video for Apify, but I just thought it was a really good tool that is gaining a lot of traction, so I wanted to explore it as well. So in this case, the actor we are using today is the LinkedIn. Hold on. Yeah, the LinkedIn ad scraper for Clay. So I've already had it installed here. Okay, so in order to do this Clay table, you will need to sign up for an API, an Apify account, get the API key, and then install the LinkedIn ad scraper for Clay from the marketplace into your account as well. So this is free, don't have to worry about it. And to get the API key, you can just go to settings here and then go to API and integrations. So once that is done, you can just go to the Clay table. As you can see, I already have a list of company names and company domains. We basically just want to add enrichment and then add in the run Apify actor. Okay, so you want to select, or rather you want to add your Apify account using the API, and then you want to add in the actor as well. Now, in terms of the input data, it is formatted this way. I mapped the company name to the row itself dynamically using the variable within Clay. Just do it within the slash, as you can see here, to insert column. Max items 10 as well. So that is pretty much all of the settings. And if you want other types of data as well, you could just go to the API documentation within this actor as well. So as you can see here, there are other things that you can use like country as well as start date and end date. But I've tried start date and end date, and I found that it actually did not give me any of the results at all for all of those 10 rows that you saw earlier. So I'm not sure if there's a problem with that or what, but once I remove this part, then the results show. So yeah, that is something to note when you're using this integration. Okay, so once that is done, as you can see here, the data is formatted in such a way that it will return you the different results. Okay, and then within each of the element in the list, there are also different fields like add URL, add text, add title. Okay, so what I did here was I used one of my favorite Clay functions, which is write to other table, for each of the results in each row. So this basically allows me to better organize and read the data as well. So you can do that by adding the enrichment right to other Clay table. Okay, of course, connect your Clay API key again, select a table to write to. Okay, or you can create a new table, and then you want to select a list from the column. So in this case, I just selected the results here. Okay. Oops. And then I also mapped some of the values from each of these objects, like add URL, add text, add title, into a new column in the new table as well, okay, which you can click on, which you can do by clicking on this. And then I also added other data from this table, which is the company domain and company name. And the reason I did that is just to map the ad itself to the company name so that I know which company the ad is from. Okay, so once that is done, this is the table that it wrote to. And again, as you can see here, it shows each of the ad in each of the result for each row. And then when you click on the ad, it links you to the ad directly as well. So that's about it for this video. I hope it has been valuable as usual in helping you to get a better understanding of how you can create LinkedIn ads within Clay itself and then organize it with right to table. Let me know if you have any other content that you would like to check out, or if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment below. I read through each one of them, and if I can help, more than happy to do so as well. Again, if you want to sign up to Clay, feel free to use my link below and you can get 3,000 free credits instead of the 100 to get started as well. Okay, till then, talk soon.